Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invert movement controls on your PlayStation 5 games. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So before you start up a game, what do you want to go ahead and invert all your movement controls in a simple setting? Well, this is called game presets, and this is very easy to do. Now, I love using inverted controls when I'm playing flying games, etc. So if I'm on the home screen and I go up to the top and I go to settings, and I scroll on down under this list until I get to save data and game app settings. Now go on down to game presets right here. And this says start new games with your preferred settings, such as difficulty and control options. Your presets will be applied to games that support this feature. The selected settings will be applied differently depending on the game. So under here, I can go to first person or third person view. I'd probably want to go ahead and switch both of these. But if I go to FPS right here, first person shooter, I can go here and then go to vertical camera movement. And I can go to inverted. So anytime I kind of look up, it will actually go down. Then I can go to horizontal camera movement right here. And anytime I go to left or right, it's going to go the opposite direction. So you can choose if you want it left or right or up and down to be inverted. Now this will be for your first person view. You'd want to back out here and go to third person view as well and change this around. So if you're in the third person camera angle where you see your character or you see your, like maybe you're in a vehicle or something like that or a plane, you want to go ahead and switch this around. So for me, I'd probably just switch my vertical movement and not my side to side by horizontal, because that wouldn't really do me any good if I look left and it goes right, etc. So you'd probably just want to change your vertical camera movement in most games, and you can choose if you want the left or right. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.